Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. Today we are going to learn about how to convert the text which is in different cases and how to convert the first letter of a word in caps. Here you can see the different words in the different cells. These words first letter will be converted to capital letter like this. Okay, let us see how to do it. So here this first cell contains Robert Daniel, and I need to convert the first letter to be in capital letter. So first click on the cell, the destination cell where your answer need to be. Enter equal to type proper. Here you can see proper. Click on it, and which are the cells you need to convert. So I am selecting these cells and close the bracket and click enter. Here you can see the Robert Daniel has been converted in Robert Daniel. Here the R and D is in capital letter. So once you drag this, you can see here the plus symbol here. If you drag like this, the words which you are having here will be converted like this. Okay, you might have some question whether these cells can be altered or not. Yes, you can alter for any word. Here you see I am selecting this Daniel and I am entering some other word, Christopher. You can see which is converted here. The Christopher which I have entered is in small letter, but here the first letter of the Christopher is converted to capital letter. Here the Sivan, the word Sivan is fully in capital letter, but here it is converted into small letter and the first letter will be in capital letter. Here you can see the Raja Rajan word. The first word is in capital letter and the second word is in fully small letter, but here it is converted to Raja Rajan. In the first letter is R. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Yalnidhi channel. If you like this video, click on like. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to Yalnidhi channel. Thank you for watching.